Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are heading to TaoPoon market. What we're going to do, we're going to have a little bit of a walk around and then we're going to go to a really nice restaurant and have some food. So let's go guys. It's just too hot in there for me, and there's too many people. What we'll do, we'll go across the road here, and we'll go and sit down, hopefully, and have something to eat. So come on, let's walk. As you can see, there's a few restaurants over there that sell really good food. All that is street food. Let's check it out. Yeah, you got your curries, Massa Man. Don't feel like eating Massa Man today, it's a bit too heavy. You've got your fish dishes, green curry, don't know what's in there, maybe chicken. These are alright. I don't feel like eating anything like that though, it's a bit too much. What we could do with is something with vegetables, something like that. Or that with the onions. Okay, can I get this one? Can I sit down? Sit down. Okay, we'll have this one then, please. Thank you. So yeah, it's better. Get out of that heat. That was really hot in there. Sat underneath the fan here. Nice. I've actually done a video here once before, and that was probably about a year ago. There we go with that. It's alright, doesn't it? It even comes with a free drink. I think it's tea. I'll soon tell you. Green tea. Very nice. Anyway, let's try this. This is chicken. We've got some onions in there. Soy sauce, mix it with a bit of rice. Spot on. Yeah, I like these dishes with the onions. Really good. Quite healthy as well, this one. Got black pepper in there. I can taste the black pepper. A little bit of garlic as well. And ginger, maybe. Wow. It's really hot outside. Thinking about doing a questions and answers video. You ask me anything and I'll answer the question. What you have to do, leave a comment of your question down in the comment box, obviously. In a few weeks I'll make a video. Ask me anything. Great. I think a little bit too much rice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a 3-kilometre walk home after this. I'm trying to be healthy. A bit too much rice, isn't it? สวัสดีครับเช็คบิลนะครับเท่าไหร่40 baht. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button and adios. See you later. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ